How to log in to CamScanner app. So if you want to log in to CamScanner app, then first of all you have to open up your CamScanner application, and after opening your CamScanner, here you can go to your profile which says me, which is on the bottom right corner, and now on the upper side you will have an option which says sign in or register. Simply tap on that, and then from here you have to first enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply tap on that, and then you can enter your email address, and you have to tap on verify code, and you will get a code to your email address, and after entering that code you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password here. Simply tap on sign in, and that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your CamScanner app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.